Hey, it's Dave from Golf Cart Garage, here with a really quick message from your golf cart's best friend. Golf Cart Garage is having a special event with our rewards program called Armada Rewards for everyone. We want to give you the same benefits our fleet customers enjoy with the Armada Rewards program and let you share those discounts with your friends. You heard right. We're giving you and your golf cart buddies a chance to team up and get savings of up to $800 on battery sets and chargers. Here's how it works. You and a friend team up from a nice social distance to agree on which battery sets or chargers you need. One of you places the order, and we ship it all out to you at the same discount our industrial clients enjoy on large quantity orders as Armada Rewards members with Golf Cart Garage. So go ahead and give your buddy a call, shoot them a text, whatever drives your powertrain, but team up now. This offer expires soon. And if you need a hand, we can make it easy with chat and email at golfcartgarage.com or on the phone at 1-800-401-2934. For a limited time, it's Armada Rewards for everyone at Golf Cart Garage.